Hello, Renee Elmers, North Carolina, District 2. You know, these are the differences. They're all on this sheet. There are a lot of yeses for our bill. There are a lot of noes for the Senate bill. Let's talk about noes for a moment. You know, we keep hearing about the Democrats in the House and how they were for that year extension of the payroll tax holiday, and yet all but 10 voted no on this bill. How do we explain that? How can you be for the American people and yet vote no? The Senate, the difference in the bill is here. We all agree, again, and they've stated, we all agree on a year payroll tax extension holiday. And yet they sent back to us a 2-month extension, which numbers of groups have said is not good policy, and it will not work for our employers or our employees. National Payroll Reporting Consortium, a nonpartisan group, has said that this is going to be more difficult to implement for employers and very difficult for employees. That's not the way to go. What about our seniors? We passed in our bill 2 years' worth of a doc fix so that physicians would not have their Medicare reimbursements cut. Our seniors need to know that they can receive that good health care and continue to do so. We get back 2 months. Not only is that an issue, as a nurse, it's an issue because what happens with that are as the Medicare reimbursement payments come in, there has to be a resetting phase. There will be a couple of months, a couple of weeks at least, where physicians will not be reimbursed. It's very difficult as employers, as small business owners to deal with. We cannot, here in the House of Representatives, cause more problems for the American people in this Obama economy. This is his economy, and we are trying hard here to fix it. It's time to come to the table and sit down. I want to ask those senators why you would vote for such a short-term lack of a solution to go into the new year so that you can go home for the holidays. Thank you.